8BitDo has released a new limited edition controller inspired by classic gaming hardware, with the 64 Bluetooth controller prototype edition now appearing on Amazon and selected retail channels. According to reports from Notebook Check, the new controller is part of 8BitDo's ongoing focus on retro-inspired gaming accessories. The company has built a reputation for creating modern controllers that incorporate design elements from classic gaming systems while adding contemporary connectivity and compatibility features. The latest release, called the 64 Bluetooth Controller Prototype Limited Edition, takes inspiration from early development hardware associated with the Nintendo 64 era. The controller is being marketed as a collector-oriented product while still supporting modern gaming platforms. According to the report, the prototype edition features a translucent design intended to resemble development and prototype hardware aesthetics that became popular among gaming enthusiasts and collectors. The appearance differs from standard retail controllers by emphasizing a more experimental and nostalgic visual style. Despite its retro inspiration, the controller includes modern wireless functionality. According to 8BitDo's specifications, Bluetooth connectivity allows the device to work with multiple compatible platforms. The controller is designed for use with modern gaming systems while maintaining a layout that references classic console gaming experiences. Reports indicate that the controller supports Hall effect joystick technology. Hall effect sensors are often highlighted for their potential durability benefits because they rely on magnetic sensing rather than traditional physical contact mechanisms.
This approach may help reduce wear associated with joystick drift over time. The controller also includes rechargeable battery support and modern firmware features that have become standard across many of 8BitDo's recent products. According to Notebook Check, the prototype edition is being released in limited quantities. The company has not indicated that it will become a permanent addition to its controller lineup. As a result, availability may depend on retailer inventory and regional distribution. The release reflects a broader trend within the gaming accessory market, where manufacturers increasingly combine nostalgic design themes with modern hardware capabilities. Collectors and retro gaming enthusiasts have become an important audience for these types of products. However, the controller remains positioned as a functional gaming accessory rather than solely a display item. From a broader perspective, the prototype edition demonstrates how retro gaming aesthetics continue to influence modern accessory design. The combination of nostalgic visual elements and contemporary hardware features appears to remain popular among both collectors and active players. For now, the 8BitDo 864 Bluetooth Controller Prototype Limited Edition has begun reaching online retailers, including Amazon. Availability may vary by region, and the long-term production plans for the controller have not been detailed beyond its limited edition positioning.